Hello, entrepreneurs and business owners. Nate Lind here, your friendly neighborhood online business broker. Selling a business is like a cross-country road trip. You've built this incredible vehicle, and now you're ready to pass the keys. But you need someone who'll treat it right. Today, we're talking about due diligence on potential buyers. It's crucial. Handing over your business without doing your homework is like setting sail in a leaky boat. We'll break down the essential steps to ensure you're passing the torch to the right hands. So, buckle up, grab your notepads, and let's dive in. First things first. Let's talk about cash. You need to know if potential buyers have the financial muscle. Ask for proof of funds or a pre-qualification letter from a reputable bank. You're being a responsible business owner. Ensure they can handle the financial responsibility of owning your business. Demand clear, verifiable financial documentation. Next, let's talk about experience. You want a buyer with a proven track record in your industry. They should understand the landscape and speak the language. You wouldn't hire a plumber to rewire your house, right? Ensure they understand the intricacies of your business and industry. Don't hand over the reins to someone who doesn't know a balance sheet from a sheet of balance beams. Now it's time to do a little digging. Check those references. Don't just rely on the names they provide. Talk to their former business partners, employees, even competitors. Get the inside scoop on their reputation. A person's past behavior is often a good predictor of their future actions. Let's get philosophical. Understand the why behind their desire to buy your business. What's their motivation? What's their vision for the future? A buyer who's genuinely passionate about your business is more likely to be invested in its long-term success. Finally, let's talk about intuition. If a buyer seems too good to be true, trust your instincts. Don't ignore red flags just because you're eager to close the deal. Trust your gut. If something feels wrong, it probably is. And there you have it. Vetting potential buyers doesn't have to be daunting. Follow these tips to confidently navigate the process. Selling your business is a marathon, not a sprint. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe. Share this video with a fellow entrepreneur. Check out the link in the description for my book, Maximum Exit. Thanks for watching, and keep selling smart.